So hey there, I am Abhyuda and I am the team leader of Blackbox, the team which created the Attendify, right? So what is Attendify? Let us dive into this video and know what is Attendify, how it works, and how it's gonna revolutionize attendance management system in future. So welcome to Attendify. Attendify is a very innovative attendance management solution that not only revolutionizes the classrooms and attendance methods, but also solves huge problems like bunking and proxy attendance. That not only like traditional methods, that were just very prone to errors and students disengagement, that leading to inaccurate records and disruptive learning environments. With Attendify, we are changing that. Our app utilizes cutting-edge facial recognition technology to take attendance randomly and repeatedly throughout the class for institutions, for colleges, for schools. This uses the already present hardware like CCTV cameras, making it a very cheaper option. Let us see the code, let us see how it works, let us see the files, the processes, and how the workflow goes with Attendify. Okay, so we are on the application right now and we can see that there are a lot of files here. There are a lot of files, and this is a application hosted on Flask framework, and this is currently being hosted on the local host, on the local computer, because it is again connected to MySQL. So it needs to get hosted on the local computer because all the database, it is everything is on the local, right? So again, we can see there are a lot of files here. They have templates. We have a lot of templates for different routes, different pages. We have faculty, we have the change password, we have admin page, we have admin dashboard, we have add student, add faculty, show attendance, then the model details, etc. All the kind of pages we have in the templates here. We have the testing phases, test phases, and train phases, which are again the data sets that are being used to train and test the model. We have the different Python files that attends from the camp, which contains all the modules, all the functions that are used getting used to that capture the attendance from the camera, right? So again, we have the attendance Attendify model that contains our CNN model in this 2py, and we have the testing files, and we have the hard cascade frontal face default.xml. That is we are using for extracting the face, for cropping out the face from the image. And we have the model saved here in attendance model.h5 in this format, and we could just use the saved model for predictions, for predicting the EA students faces and classifying their faces, right? So this is a very huge application, and let us go to the application directly. This is the application. Now there are multiple things here. When this is the application, and you can see a lot of things here. You can just see many different things, and you can have a login from two profiles, that is the the admin and the faculty. So you can just add a login through the admin and faculty. You can also sign up here if you want to create an admin or a different user if you want to create, but you need to know an organization key. That is a must thing, because again it is a very secure application, and no outsider should get access to it until and unless they are from the organization itself. So you need to know the organization key if you want to have sign up here. So now just log in with the admin ID. Now it's a very secure thing, because we have again used hashing here. We have used the password hashing for making it more secure, and using the bcrypt Python library, making it more secure. Now we can just try and log in with the admin ID here. It's my ID. Now we can just try and log in here, and we can see we have got to the admin page here. This is the admin site, and you can see it is saying hello up you there. Now I can just change my password. I got to get an option to change my password, otherwise I can just go to the admin dashboard, and this is the dashboard I'm having here. Now you can see an live option which shows you the live footage of the class. Now I can do one thing, is that I can just refresh it, and since it is not connected with any network, I could not see anything. Now since we are not having any CCTV camera access here, we are using a mobile phone webcam, that is IP webcam. It is an application, and you can just see whatever I'm seeing, it would be getting displayed here. So ultimately it would be working as a like you can just see here, whatever we are seeing, we will be getting used in as a CCTV in producing the attendance and capturing the attendance. And we can see there are a lot of plenty of options available to the admin here. He can just add student to the database if he wants to. He can just register their faces and just again use this same particular camera to register a student's face into the system, and we can just get return here, and we can just go to the home. Now admin can directly from here register the student, and the student's face will be registered in the train faces and the test faces separately for different purposes. Again, now admin can check the model, and he also gets the option to retrain the model. Suppose if we had 50 number of students and we got 10 more, then we are registering the 10 more students into the model, then we need to retrain the model upon for those 10 more students, right? So the option is available to the admin here. You can just retrain the model. You can also view the configurations of the model here, and again you can just go to the home, and we can see also admin, like, yeah, we can just see the footage here. They available to the admin, the classroom footage, the live footage of the classroom, and admin can also set the timetable, also the faculty ID, when is the lecture, so that the faculty can see the updated thing, right? And we can just log out, because this was the admin thing. We can log in with the faculty ID here, and we can try and see what the faculty dashboard looks like. I'm trying with the faculty ID that starts with F, and F023 is the ID of the faculty. And if you're trying, and we can see our faculty, our lab instructor, Mr. Mohsin, Dr. Mohsin, and yeah, we can just take and attend. You can just see the two things again: change password and take the attendance. And we can just take the attendance and go to the dashboard, and you can see there are a lot of details getting showed here, like about the details of the faculty and the timetable, what the classes they're having. And we can see the current class. The most closest class here is the practical class again, and the next class is at 11:30, that is a lecture. And we can just see, we can start attendance here, and we could go to the attendance part, and if we try and click the attendance, we could just directly go to the attendance. And we can see here that in the attendance part we have number of, like, this is the EB08, and we have number of students that are registered are 6. And if we try and have the attendance, and we can just see that at this part we have a live footage, but due to internet connectivity issues we are currently not getting connected to this camera, but ultimately this camera shows the footage here, and you can just start the attendance currently. Now since I'm not having people here, so I have already captured their faces, right? Again, I captured the faces of the students present, like I am having the 3 guys here, and I'm trying to predict which 3 people are there in this image. So if I'm trying to again take the attendance, we can see what 3 people are they, right? So attendance, it is saying attendance has started, and we can just wait for it. And now it has shown we have, like, it shows us that 3 students are present, and that is what we just saw. We just saw that there are 3 students in the footage, and we can see here. So let us see if now we can just, again, it has marked those 3 present, and we can just see the attendance here, and we can see these are Aditya and again Raj and Vaibhav, right? We can see the attendance here. Now we can just go back and we can get the attendance sheet if we want to. We also have the attendance sheet getting updated here at attendance files, and with the name, attendance of the class, and the date, and we can see the students present getting, yeah. So this is the attendance we are having. I hope you enjoyed the idea of Attendify. This is a very great idea, very novel, and it has got a lot of effort from our side, and I hope this is gonna be the future of attendance in the modern society.